Let me show you how to make homemade caramel in less than 10 minutes. This easy recipe only requires 4 simple ingredients. Let's get right to it. To start off, I'm adding 1 cup of granulated white sugar to a saucepan. Then I'm adding a 1/3 cup of water along with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, which helps prevent the sugar from crystallizing. Now turn on the stovetop burner to high heat. Within a minute or 2, the mixture should start to bubble around the edges. Keep watching the saucepan and you'll see that in another minute or so, the bubbles will get bigger until eventually the entire mixture is bubbling like you see here. Now this is probably the most important part of this recipe. After the entire mixture is bubbling, you need to watch it carefully. What you're looking for is when the mixture starts to brown around the edges. In my experience, this takes about 4 to 5 minutes, but the time may vary depending on your stovetop. When you notice the mixture turning golden brown around the edges, swirl the saucepan around to help the caramel brown evenly. This also helps prevent the caramel from burning. After you've given the mixture a few swirls and the brown color is evenly distributed, let the mixture cook for another minute or so and watch closely for the mixture to turn a slightly deeper golden brown color like this. Now at this point, turn off the heat and add 1 cup of heavy cream to the mixture. Finally, stir the mixture thoroughly until the cream is fully incorporated. And just like that, our caramel is done. I like to store my caramel in the fridge for up to about a month. To do this, first let the caramel completely cool and then transfer it to an airtight container. I like these glass pint jars, which I'll link in the description box. Look how beautiful this is. You just can't beat fresh homemade caramel. Of course, caramel is fantastic in lots of different recipes. You can add it to your coffee, make caramel cheesecake or other baked goods, and I know some people love homemade flan. One of my favorite ways to enjoy caramel is adding it to ice cream. In my opinion, you really can't go wrong with some classic chocolate and vanilla ice cream swirled with caramel. Talk about a perfect sweet treat or pick-me-up. It's super easy and quick, which is great. This ice cream combination really hits the spot, and I love how you can control how much caramel to add, since sometimes store-bought ice creams can skimp on certain ingredients. And as someone with a major sweet tooth, I'm curious to know, what is your favorite sweet treat? Please let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video, which was short and sweet, but for more videos with quick and easy recipes, I invite you to subscribe. And I think you'll like this recipe playlist I've added to the screen here. Wishing you all the best, and I'll see you in my next video.